warm, friendly tone. Do you have 15 minutes today? Of course you do. And guess what? That's all you need to start improving your English fluency. In this episode of the English Podcast for Beginners, I'll show you simple, daily habits that will make your English stronger, clearer, and more natural without feeling like boring homework. Let's get started. Section: Why 15 minutes works. First, why 15 minutes? Because short, focused practice every day is much better than studying for hours once a week. Think of it like watering a plant. You don't flood it once a month. You give it a little water daily so it grows steadily. Your brain works the same way. A little bit of English every day keeps your skills fresh and improving. Section 2. The 5-minute listening habit. Step 1. Spend your first 5 minutes listening. You can listen to a short podcast in English, a YouTube video with clear speech, or even a song you like with English lyrics. But here's the trick. Don't just play it once. Listen twice. The first time, just enjoy. The second time, focus on new words and how they're pronounced. Section 3. The 5-minute speaking habit. Next, spend the next 5 minutes speaking. This is where shadowing practice comes in. Play a sentence in English and then repeat it immediately, copying the speaker's tone, speed, and pronunciation. Don't worry if you make mistakes. This is practice, not a test. Even reading aloud from a short article or story works great. Section 4. The 5-minute vocabulary habit. Finally, spend your last 5 minutes learning just 3 new words or phrases. Write them down. Say them out loud. And here's the magic: use each of them in your own sentence before the day ends. This way, the words become part of your active vocabulary, not just something you recognize. Section 5. Staying motivated. Here's the secret: motivation grows when you can see progress. So, track your practice. Make a simple calendar and check off each day you do your 15 minutes. In 1 month, you'll be surprised at how much more confident you feel speaking and understanding English. So there you have it. 15 minutes a day to better English. Listen for 5 minutes, speak for 5 minutes, learn new words for 5 minutes. Consistency beats perfection every time. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to the Learn English Whole Day and tell me in the comments, how will you spend your 15 minutes today?